Hey guys, Jerome Leba here, Keller Williams at Red Green Properties in Santa Fe. I wanted to take you through 974 Verdinal Ln in Santa Fe, New Mexico. 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, almost 3,000 square feet, and I'm looking forward to showing you this property. So this is a wonderful home. It's built by Twilight custom builders here in Santa Fe, New Mexico, with great finishes. Granite countertops, beautiful backsplash, large square footage with a wonderful landscaped yard. It's a 2-level home, which gives ample space for a growing family or anybody that's looking to have great square footage. One great thing about 974 Verdinal Ln is it's situated on a wonderful cul-de-sac, so it's private and exclusive. It's easy access to downtown Santa Fe, the Baca Art District, along with hitting St. Francis and heading out towards Los Alamos. So for any lab commuters, it's a great spot to be. Thanks again for checking out our video, guys. We're looking forward to hearing from you. And this is 974 Verdinal Ln here in Santa Fe, New Mexico. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or Chantel. We look forward to hearing from you.